guys, welcome back to In the Woods with the Capones. Well, here we are. It's a beautiful summer's day. Sun's shining and birds are chirping. We can't ask for a nicer day. Well, about maybe 7 weeks ago, there was a sale going on with DR, Done Right Power Tools. And they had their professional string trimmers were on sale. So I decided, you know what, we can always use one. We're always constantly making our trails, grooming them, and with 60 acres of land, we've started making more and more trails. So what happens is a lot of times is I'll go around with the ride-on mower or the push mower, and my wife comes along and helps. I do have an FS 131 professional string trimmer, but I figured for my wife, I'm going to get her something different. So I decided to get this string trimmer, and I'll show you it right now. Let me grab it and we'll go from there. All right. Well, this is it. The professional power Done Right trim mower, lawnmower, string trimmer, all in one. The nice thing I like about this one here, this professional model, is you can add different attachments to it. You can put a steel blade on it to cut small saplings up to 3 inches and grass. What tends to happen a lot of times is the grass grows pretty quick in certain areas. So with this, you can walk around. It's almost like a lawnmower, big tires, and you just go ahead and trim, and it doesn't get clogged like a lawnmower does. So, you know what, waited long enough for it. So let's put it together and see what's hiding inside this box. All right. Okay, so let's start off by opening it up. See what's inside. There was a factory sale that was going on with these, so I waited. Ooh, it's pretty. Waited almost 7 weeks for it. Get an idea of what's inside. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Doesn't seem like there's much to it, but let's take it out and we'll go from there. Well, this is pretty cool. Let's lay that down like that for a second. All right. Tire. Cycle. Licorice. Trimmer string. Tire. Another tire. More recycle, and instructions. Of instructions. Let's get this box and we'll move it out of the way. Now we got it unpackaged and out of the box. I'll tell you right now, let's see what's in the bag of goodies. Looks like some kind of filter. Instructions on how to put it together, and for methods of checking and adding oil to your trimmer, which it doesn't seem like they've supplied the oil with this machine, but I always have oil, 5W30, fully synthetic. I like using fully synthetic oil, and a little bit more of an insurance policy. All right, so what we'll do is we'll get started first with the basics. When we put the tires on and get it up off the grass a bit, and then we'll go from there. So, number one, nice and easy, and then number two. So clean, so new. Almost feel bad using it, getting it dirty. We got a couple of nuts here, which is dragonfly. All right, I'm gonna get a 1/2-inch socket. I'll be right back. Let's get these bolts on. It's amazing how you can hear all the bumblebees flying around from. That's what I like. When you're working out here, you can just, the dragonflies, the bumblebees. Neat. I'll tell you right now, beats being in an office all day. Alright, so we got one bolt on, one tire's bolt down. Let's do the other side now. Alright. Got the tires on. Why don't we go ahead and raise the arms so it's out of the way. Wow, look at that. Now we have that. Now we have the spark arrest to put on. Oh, it goes right on the tip of the exhaust. Mint. So we got that on now. No prime, no choke, no oil changes. Pretty cool. I like it. Okay, so what it's asking us to do next is to put the oil in. And it wants me to level off the machine because the head sits lower than the engine when it's on its working surface. So now I'm going to go ahead and put some of my super synthetic mobile oil in. So what I need to do is, let's get as much as I like to keep this beautiful plastic on, I'll put that in my recycle pile. Alright, and empty. There is no oil in this machine. So let's put that beautiful stick right there. Funnel. And I don't want to make a mess. So let's go ahead and add a little bit of oil. So now let's take my dipstick, which is completely empty, put it in, take it out. I don't know if you can see that, but it's perfect. Love doing this kind of stuff. Okay, next we're going to put strings in. For this purpose, I'm just going to go with the two green ones, lighter. The ones with the twist curls on it, I think are more of a heavy duty. But so let's take this. All right, so let's start off with the first cable, and I've never done this before, so be patient with me and let's see how it goes. So it says to insert them into the ends and slowly feed them through. Oh look, they're coming. All right, and then pull. Oh my. I have to say, that couldn't be any more easy. I'll tell you right now, I cheated, I read the instructions. So let's spin it, and we went up 1, 2. So let's do the other one now. See if this one goes in just as easy. 1, 2, and insert. Again. All right, I'm not gonna lie to you. There we go. That was pretty sweet. Okay, next, let's put fuel in. Fresh regular gas. Look, I filled up just filled up my boat, and I had just a little bit left over. I'm glad that I kept it. Perfect. Let's just put a little bit in there. Okay. Okay, so we got fuel, we got oil, string, tires are on, everything's assembled. So why don't we fire it up, get it running, see how it goes, and then give you a last minute review of it. Thanks. All right. That. There you have it. I think it did pretty great. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna take it into the trails in the back of our property, and we'll test it out. We'll make another video from there, and you can actually see it working. This was just me firing it up and just trying it here against this rock. So again, the DR Done Right grass trimmer mower. Fantastic, a lot of power, and I couldn't believe first pull started. As it says, no priming, no choking, no oil changes. Wow. Amazing little machine. And of course, made in the USA. Briggs & Stratton. All right, guys. Again, thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. Thumbs up. Be good, be safe, and we'll catch you next time in the woods with the Capones. How's it going, champ? Yeah? Okay? Here's my paw. Good girl. All right, wanna go swimming in the lake? Come on, let's go. Let's go swimming.